Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to make the Wix website fit all screens. First of all, open up the Editor Wix official site in the browser. Once you get into its site, when starting a new site on Wix, select a template that is labeled as responsive. This means the template is designed to automatically adjust to different screen sizes, which allows you to design for both desktop and mobile views separately. Make sure to check and adjust the desktop view of your site using the desktop editor. Adjust the layout, font sizes, and element placement to ensure a good user experience on smaller screens. Then click on Layout icon from the top bar, and you can choose different strip layout options from here. So let's give it a try with a 40 to 60 size layout. If it fits, then it's good to go. Otherwise, you can choose the equal layout option. And you can customize its proportions and adjust it to fit on all screens. Or you can zoom in or out to see if it fits on screen properly. Once you're satisfied, click to save the changes. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.